In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Confluence templates with ease. Now, whether you're a beginner, just getting started with Confluence, or someone looking to streamline their workflows through template customization, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the tools you need to make the most of what Confluence has to offer. Let's begin at your Confluence homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate from this main area, which acts as your central hub to access all your workspaces and projects. Here, you'll choose the workspace that you want to work within. Selecting the appropriate workspace is crucial because it houses the templates specific to the projects or teams you are collaborating with. Now, look towards the top of the workspace interface to find the Create button. Clicking this button is your gateway to crafting new pages, documents, or, importantly, modifying existing templates. Once you've clicked Create, you'll then need to select the Page option. This selection leads you into the editing interface where you can start personalizing a new page or modify an existing template to better suit your needs. To tweak one of these templates, you'll want to click on All Templates. This will provide you with a comprehensive list of all available templates that you can edit or use as a starting point for your documents. Select the template that catches your eye or matches the format you're aiming for in your work. Once selected, you'll be guided into an editing mode. Now that you're in the editing interface, this is where your creativity and customization options shine. Glance to the top of the page, where you can start making all sorts of edits. Whether you want to change the text color to make it more visually appealing, or add an image, video, or file to have all necessary elements in one place, Confluence makes it simple with its intuitive design. But the possibilities don't stop there. For a more expressive touch, add emojis to lighten up your documentation or deliver key points in a fun way. Should your document need restructuring, you can also edit the layouts. This flexibility allows you to tailor the template to fit a wide range of content and design preferences. If you wish to insert additional elements, such as tables, macros, or other dynamic components, the Insert functionality is your friend. These tools allow you to enhance the functionality and the aesthetic of your page, making it not only informative but also engaging. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Confluence provides even more options to ensure your documents meet every need with precision and ease. By following these steps, you can confidently edit and enhance your templates in Confluence, bringing your collaborative projects to the next level. Happy editing!